Have you ever witnessed a crypto asset ruin loose from a pattern that it's been brewing for 7 years? Nowadays, we're going to be diving directly into how Ripple's XRP has shattered its long-standing symmetrical triangle, a pass that might be an absolute recreation changer for its fee. Now, in this video, we're going to be getting a clean breakdown of XRP's technical setup, the historical rally that set the level, and the ability explosive move toward $15. Imagine a pattern that's been brewing for 7 lengthy years, ultimately snapping in favor of the bulls. Now, what may that mean for XRP's future? Well, let's start with the fundamentals. A symmetrical triangle is a chart pattern that paperwork when an asset's fee curve among converging trend strains. Now, this sample usually suggests that the market is indecisive, but a breakout in both course can sign a sturdy flow. Now, in XRP's case, we are seeing something sincerely fascinating. Now, in step with distinguished market commentator Ali Martinez of Ali Charts, XRP has been buying and selling within a symmetrical triangle for an impressive 7 years. Now, this pattern wasn't only a fleeting second, it dates again to when XRP collapsed from its $3.80 all-time excessive in January of 2018. Over the years, XRP has built up this structure, a form of silent build-up of marketplace stress. Then, lower back in November of 2024, XRP skilled a phenomenal 580% rally, hovering from simply 50 cents to a 7-year peak of $3.40 in mid-January 2025. Despite facing a huge correction which affected the wider crypto market, XRP managed to keep above the $2 mark. This resilience is now being regarded as a signal that the bulls are nevertheless on top of things. The symmetrical triangle breakout is a primary technical signal. Although there was some preliminary uncertainty approximately, the exact nature of the breakout, current information, suggests that XRP has sustained its upward momentum, even though XRP did have a chunk of a pullback in February. Now, why is this pattern so substantial? Well, a symmetrical triangle regularly indicates a duration of consolidation where neither bulls nor bears can dominate. When the fee subsequently breaks out, it has a tendency to do so with widespread force. Now, in XRP's case, the breakout shows that we could be at the verge of any other bullish surge, one that would push XRP into double-digit territory. So, believe being in the market and watching this build-up. It's just like the calm before a storm. Now, the anxiety in the charts tells a story of pent-up buying electricity, of looking forward to the proper second to interrupt via, and that moment would possibly simply be now, at the least as recommended by way of Martinez's analysis. So before we pass on, permit me ask you this. What would you do if you noticed a comparable sample forming in every other crypto asset? Let me recognize your mind within the remarks down underneath, or be a part of us in a loose Discord server linked in the description. Now, have you ever questioned how dramatic crypto rallies can be? Handiest to be accompanied by means of heavy corrections. XRP's story over the past YR is not anything quick of a roller coaster of a trip. Let me take a more in-depth observe XRP's current overall performance. In November of 2024, XRP was trading at around 50 cents. Then, out of nowhere, it exploded with an amazing 580% rally, attaining a height price of around $3.40 by using mid-January 2025. Now, this upward thrust captured the form of crypto network and set very excessive expectancies. The 580% rally changed into a clear sign of robust market hobby and bullish sentiment. Such explosive growth is not commonplace and often indicates that a huge shift in marketplace dynamics is underway. Well, all through this period, many buyers and investors jumped at the bandwagon, pushing XRP's rate to document ranges. The pleasure became palatable and social media buzzed with discussions approximately XRP's capacity. Like many crypto belongings that experienced fast boom, XRP didn't hold its upward trajectory indefinitely. After hitting its top, certainly one of them went below a big correction, which reflected comparable styles visible throughout the broader crypto marketplace. Despite the correction, XRP's fee managed to live above the $2 mark. Specifically noteworthy, as it continues support at these higher stages post-corrections and is a strong indicator that the underlying bullish momentum is undamaged. Even in a consolidating market, records shows that the bulls, the positive buyers, are nonetheless very much in control. This resilience, in spite of the pullback, is what makes XRP's breakout from the symmetrical triangle so compelling. Why does this be counted to us? Well, within the global of cryptocurrencies, right, corrections are not always bad information. They regularly function a healthy reset, allowing the asset to consolidate before the following massive circulate. In XRP's case, the truth that it's held above the $2 degree after enormous correction suggests that the market believes, at the least believes, I guess, within the lengthy time period ability. Now, for many traders, this sample of rally correction and consolidation is a familiar cycle. It's a reminder that while crypto markets can be unstable, clever strategies regularly contain riding out these cycles and capital in on the eventful upward momentum. So if you're looking XRP closely, bear in mind this: each dip and correction might be putting the level for the next explosive flow. And with the technical signs that we are seeing, there's a developing consensus that a breakout leading to a $15 fee goal might simply be across the nook. Now, have you visible similar styles in other cryptocurrencies? What's your tackle XRP's resilience after this dramatic rally? You can drop your mind in the feedback below or within the free Discord server. What if I advised you that specific fee stages on a chart ought to expect XRP's next big flow? Let's spoil down the Fibonacci magic behind this capacity $15 goal. Now let's dig into the technical facet of things proper, because one of the key equipment that investors use to predict charge moves in cryptocurrencies is the Fibonacci retracement and extension tiers. These mathematical ratios become aware of ability support and resistance regions wherein the fee might opposite or accelerate. So permits damage down the Fibonacci levels for XRP. You've got Fib stage 1, 2 at 75. You've got the primary Fibonacci extensions comes in at $6.08. Further milestones encompass 922 and then the ultimate target of 15 was. So to kick things off, XRP wishes to reclaim the $2.25 level. This is considered the Fib 1 level proper, a critical point that alerts the beginning of a potential upward trajectory. Think of it because the